What are the analytics myths you see marketers relying on most regularly?
I think that, okay, so the number one, I think, is the most controversial, which is that marketers always want to have 100% clean data. And the problem is that that doesn't exist. There's just absolutely no way that you will get perfect data quality on the web. It's just, the web was built not to give you perfect data quality. But the interesting thing is the web still gives you more data than any other channel on the planet. Take television, radio, anything, any day, and compare it to the data you get on the web. It still is much more type of quantity in terms of data and much deeper data. So don't go after perfect data quality. If you got data that's 90% good enough, make a decision, move on, right? An educated mistake is better than no action at all. That's my mantra, right? The second one, I think, is that there is an obsession with real-time data. And I think real-time data is good, but at the moment, if as a company, an organization, as a person, you don't have an ability to take real-time action, then you don't need real-time data. So as a good example, yes, I want to know real-time my traffic from Bing and Yahoo. I want to know keyword performance and everything, but it takes me 3.5 days to actually implement any change. Well, then why do you want real-time data? The reason that I am concerned about real-time data more is that it gets us to do more tactical type of reporting, what I call data puking, rather than actually doing strategic analysis. In cases where there are systems that can automatically react, behavior targeting systems, other bid adjustment systems, or whatever system, where you can eliminate the human being from the process, that's when real-time data is very useful and critical. So, but most of the time we simply want real-time data to come to us, and we have no ability to either analyze it in real time, much less an ability to take action. That's the second one. I think the third myth is that a lot of marketers tend to think of the web as television. And they still tend to look for the same kind of metrics. They look for the same kind of experiences. They still look for the same kinds of opportunities to shout at people through display, through YouTube, through whatever channels that they're using. And I think that marketers need to evolve a lot better to realize that the web brings its own unique strengths and possibilities that don't exist in other channels. And at the same time, those channels have strengths that the web doesn't. So optimizing your marketing outcomes that you want delivered based on that kind of an experience is really a fabulous way to monetize the web productively for any given company. So those three things that I tend to focus on more.